Okay, can't remember if I got most of the grease out. I'm not gonna get too carried away. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like. All the gears are good. And from what I can tell, the motor was okay. So yeah, not quite sure what the problem was, why they were disconnected. No clue. But headlight pieces here, all cleaned, primered. It's the headlight, the top there. I gotta do body work on the other side of it. I just wanted to primer the back while I had it. So yeah, they're just drying. And then outside, oh, too much sun. A little bit more body work. I've done some, but need to fix a couple of spots. So yeah, that'll get sanded down and primed once that dries. So yeah, that's just where I'm at for now. When I get these all painted and ready to reassemble, I'll bring you back and we'll throw this together. All right, time for new grease for the motor. There you go, off Amazon. A bit of a bigger tube than I thought I was buying, but that's okay. Put it everywhere. You cannot have too much grease, basically. All the teeth. There we go. Oops. This piece goes in there. As you can see, it spins. So, this piece, the motor goes back in the casing. But first, grease. It's like icing a cake if you're dyslexic. Trust me. There we go. Said lots of grease without being stupid about it. So then, oops, back here screw. We simply, these two plastic blocks here, that one and that one, go in this little spot there and that big spot there. Not always easy, but there we go. Put it in backwards. Why don't I? Oops. Goodness. Okay, I might have been a little wrong with the placements. So, yeah. Oops, that didn't go in properly. Round brass piece here. Spine facing down. Ugh. It's really not the easiest thing to get back in, let me tell you. Come on. Here we go. Oh. I should have just done this off camera. But no. I must be entertaining and unprepared. Come on, why was I not going? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, shoot. Almost. This rubber block needs to go in there properly. There we go. There we go. And you see, all the gears spin, everything's greased. Now it makes noise because there's no power to it. When there's power to it, that sits perfectly within all the magnets, so then it's quiet. But as you can see, everything's moving. So, oh, shoot. Should have been wearing a glove. Oh well. Now, you know how hard this is going to be to do. But these two tabs right here, they go right there and right there. Not sure why, but that's where they go. So, oops. Probably easier if I oh, there we go. Almost. Ow. The screws will hold all that together. So let's try. This is 1/4 inch bit for the heads. Oh, wrong one. I lied. Call me a liar. Phillips bit. Didn't realize I had switched it over for another part. Almost pinched my finger in that gap. Couple more. And that one. And do I have one more? I should have one more. Dropped one. Well, anyway, I'll look for that. But yeah, that's it. It's that simple. All together, wires out, turns, everything goes. Yeah. So that's it. Hope that was helpful. All right, the headlights have arrived a day early. Thank you, Amazon. DOT approved. Look at those. Nice. Adapter. Perfect. All right, well, I will get this one installed in the set that's already completed, and we'll see what it looks like. Give me 5 minutes. All right, there we go. So it looks like installed. Ah, those are cool. So yeah, easy enough to put in. So happy with those. Good money spent. Okay, I'm back. I know for you guys it's been all of 1 or 2 seconds. For me, it's been all 4 days. I wanted to give my hand a rest. I'm not sure if you've seen the video, but I pulled my own stitches out. So it's had time to heal a bit. So we're getting back at her. Assembling the headlight. All I've done, just slide that on the post there. I don't think you can see it. That part there just slides on. It's where it rotates. So, motor assembly all together. Now you gotta line up this T-bar with that right there. Fairly simple. Just gotta rotate the motor till it lines up. There we go. It just pops in. Now flip it over. One of the bolts, these, oops, not with big washers on them, it's not going to go there. All right, now which ones then? What have I done? Haha, these ones, without the big washer head on them. And where is, there it is, 10 mil bit. Should have maybe been a little more prepared before I started filming, but yeah, whatever, live and learn. Don't need to tighten these up too much. I don't know if there's an actual torque setting for these, but come on now. Just be reasonable. And nut goes on the back of this, holds it in place. And I believe that's why I have this 13 mil. Yep. Same thing, you don't need to torque the living snot out of this. Still feels like the pin is set. Oh, there it goes. All right. And make sure this bracket is underneath that, not on top. I've messed that up more than once. Okay, what do we have next? Let's throw the bottom plate on. So, bottom plate, all fancy smancy. Other way. There we go. Now, to say I've had this trouble on the last one as well would be an understatement. Plate. Goes on the inside. Oops. Come on now. There we go. You gotta have kind of small hands to get in here, or you can go through the top. This just going through here helps me line up. a little better. Oh. I got a little stiff quick. Good. Now, these ones are quite simple, just there and there. Same idea. Good. Once again, 10 mil. Do not over torque these. Okay. Need that joint on here. Just get these back ones. Ooh. Come on now. There we go. There we go. All right. So those are on. Now, important part, which is a bit of a pain in the butt, is the spring. It's got to go back in. I don't know how we'll be able to see it, but it goes through this hole right here from the back. This large part is what goes in the back. This part hooks on the headlight rim. So pop it through. Oh, there we go. It just comes through right there. So I don't know what those ones are for. All right. Bucket. Brand new bucket. Of course, line up the adjusters. The adjuster screws go there and there, obviously. But the first thing you got to do, I'll remember as to go along, right here, that's where the spring hooks to. It's not much, it's just a bit of a divot. But hook that, put the spring on it. There you go. That's all it takes. Then long screws, these are your adjuster screws for your headlight. Where did I, oh, there it is. Yeah, for some reason, in the pocket, where the adjuster screw goes through, it's a smidge tight. So, what I did last time, so grab a plain screwdriver, pop this a little. Side one wasn't bad. Almost should have. I don't know why they make these. Goodness, such a tight fit. They really don't need to be. hurts the hand. Hand is better, but still recovering. There we go. When in doubt, power tools. Okay, no sense in going too crazy because you don't know where they got to direct themselves, so just get them installed nicely. I had tape over the plug for when I was painting it. Probably not necessary, but something I figured I would do. Of course, now this means I can't find the end. To unwrap it. So, when in doubt, rip it out. There we go. So, grab the new headlight. There are these bad boys. You should get it right side up. Plugged in. In place. Now, where did? Of course I lost them. Why wouldn't I? Oh, there they are. Chrome ring. The new screws. Thought they had disappeared. Oops. Don't snug them up until I have all 4 in, just so everything lines up. Oh, get back here. Oh, you little bugger. Why are we being this impatient? Let's take them out. Something's not quite working right here. Something's not lined up. There we go. Didn't have the chrome plate back far enough. Stupid on my part. Good thing it comes with an extra screw. So yeah, bit slow go, but if you take your time and pay attention, unlike me, it actually isn't so bad. Like I said, we got 2 assemblies, so do one first, keep the other one factory assembled so you know where everything goes. Now. Oh, Jesus, my hand is better, but most certainly not perfect. There we go. So the last piece to go on is the cover. All shiny and pretty and painted. I was wondering, I still had 2 clips left. There you go. On here. Which kind of makes sense. There's that one. Make sure you put them on the right way. Piece of something stuck there. There we go. Okay. Try this again. There it is. There it is. Okay. The small little screw goes in the front. Sorry, screws, plural, 2 of them. And then these go in the back. With, where's my little hex bit? Where did I put it? Yeah. I don't know. Well, apparently I'm an idiot. It's a 6-star, 6-pointed, whatever you want to call it. Come on, where are you lining up? There we go. Okay. Now, if I had that tool handy, which I don't seem to, I must put it away for some stupid reason. Anyway, so yeah, that's the assembly. Not much to it. Reroute the wires when you put it in the car. Get them out of the way. Yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. So, hopefully it was helpful. I'll find that bit and just tighten those 2 screws up, and yeah, that's the end of it. All right, I'll bring you back, just finish. So it's a T20. Just barely snug. Don't want to crack the housing or anything. Have to do a repair like that again. And then this side. There we go. Okay, that's really it this time. So yeah, there it is. Done. Okay everyone, if you could, like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.